thank you to the organizers, to the Human Frontiers for supporting us, and to our collaborators on this project at both EMBL and Johns Hopkins. So our broad question is how neurotransmission first evolved in animals. And this is a really fascinating invention, and one that's really critical for multicellularity, because as you go from a single cell organism into complex multicellularity, you need a system for coordinating the body. What's unusual about this, though, is that although the nervous system is essential in nearly all animals, it's actually, we don't see it present in some of our most distant relatives. So things like sponges and placozoans don't have canonical nervous systems. They don't even have canonical muscles. But you might be asking, well, do they need them? In fact, sponges are a sessile organism. They're a filter-feeding animal that has an aquiferous canal system that pumps water through its body and takes up food. But they're also highly dynamic. And so when we do 3D imaging over time of their canal system, this is using a custom optical coherence microscope, we see they do all these motions, both sort of minor tonality changes in the canal, but these more dramatic whole body collapses that they do when they need to flush out their canal system. And so we've been investigating how, as part of this project, one question has been how they orchestrate this and what this tells us about the origin of neurotransmission. And this has led to the uncovery of an ancient monoamine signaling system. So these are relatives of serotonin, dopamine, and epinephrine that sponges are using to coordinate their system. And if you're interested in hearing how we figured this out, how it connects to what's going on in your body, and how this tells us about the transformation occurring from unicellular signaling, and in particular unicellular chemotaxis, into multicellular coordination, I invite you to come to the poster, as well as to a talk by Roy Zhang, who'll be speaking tomorrow morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Jakob.